Ford Escort, Thailand. Vehicle identification. Here's the book for this car. The reason for this video is we want to paint this front panel, and to paint it properly I've got to take the VIN plate off. Well, virtually every car I take to the transport office, the first thing they think is, oh, foreigner, he's changed the plates, he's done something wrong. Well, I'm making a video just to show that that plate will be removed and put back on, but it's from this car. Let's start with the VIN number. And the VIN number: 15365. The VIN number. Not very easy to see. 1, I can just see the 5. The 3's not too bad. The 6, just legible, and the last one, the 5. Okay. 15365. Right, I now need to hand you over to my charming assistant, because I need 2 hands to take the plate off. You got this? Have you got this? It's not going so nice. A little bit. Right, just wait there a minute while I go and get a pick. Oops. And that's why I'm taking the plate off, because of all the corrosion underneath. Almost there. Just that right there. Huh. Of course, this wouldn't be a simple video. There had to be a bit of a twist to it. Screwdriver, just tap that off. Wire brush hammer. One VIN plate. Over here, look. 1 VIN plate, 1 book. You may think that was a bit of an odd video, but that's the way things work here. Cheerio now.